2012 Audi TT. This is what it sounds like before. You can hear the blow-up valve. Sounds good. You hear more of the blow-up valve than anything else. The exhaust is so quiet. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 83.5. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make it a little bit louder. It's too quiet. So on this Audi TT, guys, let me show you what it looks like under there. So there's a converter. Then it's got this weird contraption right there where there's a flex pipe on this side, and then a regular resonator on this side, then a second resonator there. If you guys know why they did this, let me know. I think it's for drone, but I'm not sure 100%. This was back in 2012. Then there's the second resonator there. Then there's a pipe and the mufflers. Single muffler, single in, dual outlet. So we're gonna take all that out, put some carbon fiber Natami black tips. They're gonna come out really beautiful. We're gonna take this resonator out, combo, put a new vibrant in its place there. Here's the part number on it. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we showed you what it looked like and sounded like before. Audi TT Type S, Turbo 2.0, 2012. Let me show you guys what we done after. So it's got factory converter there. Then we chopped it right there. Put a new vibrant resonator, part number 1792. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe. After that, all the way back into a custom Y pipe. You guys can see there and there. There's a custom Y pipe right there. Out the back on each side. And finished it off with some beautiful Natami carbon fiber tips, 4-inch on this side and 4-inch on this side with a black inlay. Came out really clean, really nice. Noise right there. There it is. Audi TT. There's all the old junk that was on it. There's the Y pipe with a resonator and flex pipe. I don't know why. Another resonator there and the muffler and tips that we took off. All that came off and got replaced. So it lost about 100 pounds of weight and replaced it with about 30. Came out nice. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the work and the craftsmanship and all that good stuff. I think it looks phenomenal. Our exhaust guys outdid themselves as usual. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. That's deep. Nice deep idle to it, isn't that? A lot louder already than before. Go ahead. So much better. Now you can actually hear it. Here's sound decibels. Put it in sport mode. Let's see if it changes any. So now this is in sport mode, guys. Right at 89. Again? 91. Oh, so it did get louder because it was 86 or 87 without sport mode. Yeah, now it's 91. And he's not really revving it high either. Yeah, it's clean. Come on back down. The next thing you gotta do is probably a tune. Do a tune.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'll
Yeah.
because,
A little bit at a time. That's what projects cars are for, you know? That's what makes them fun. Audi TT. It's a good looking car, guys. Clean too. You don't see these that clean all the time. Let you guys hear on the inside. hear the blow-up valve. Sounds good. You hear more of the blow-up valve than anything else. The exhaust is so quiet. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 83.5. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make it a little bit louder. That's deep. Nice deep idle to it, isn't that? A lot louder already than before. Go ahead. So much better. Now you can actually hear it. Here's sound decibels. Put it in sport mode. Let's see if it changes any. Audi TT Type S or S line. I don't know why I kept saying Type S. Correction, guys. S line. Turbo. Vibrance, 2.5-inch system all the way back into a custom Y pipe and all that good stuff. Let's see how quick she takes off. I like that blow-off valve. It sounds so good. You guys like these or the oh, it sounds phenomenal. Wow. I like it. What do you guys think? Keep me posted in the comments. Check out this Ford Mustang GT, guys, all the way from Illinois. He was visiting family in Alabama and he said, I'm gonna come to Exhaust Addicts, let them make it loud for me. So that's what we did for him. Let me go around here. He's gonna start it up and get the ball rolling. Let you guys hear it. Uh-oh. Oh, it sounds badass. We straight piped it for him. Listen to that chop. What a beast, bro. Wow. Much better. Show us what this thing's gonna do, man. Appreciate you bringing it by. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Fully custom to it. It's a really clean car. Look at ricocheting off the... Beast mode. We keep adding to the list, guys. Look, here's another track mark now over here. I love it. Enjoy, guys. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike.